Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and then type in Call of Duty Modern Warfare to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and you can enter your date of birth to confirm your age. Now this will take you into the game page where you can check out the reviews, and if you scroll down, you will find the Add to Cart button. Click on this button and now you can click on View My Card in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Finally, enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once the transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks, and then you can start enjoying the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.